Hi friends, I am Gopal Chandra Jha and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Each English Tutorial. Today I have brought a live quiz for you. It is live quiz 2. This quiz contains 100 questions and you are required to open the link given in the comment box and take part in this live quiz. I am going to answer first 25 questions and after that you will open the link given in the comment box and answer the remaining questions. So let us start the quiz. The first question is, who found a real book on 17 May 2157? The options are Tommy, Margie, the county inspector. Which option is correct? I think the correct answer is Tommy. The second question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Options are 10 years and 12 years respectively, 11 years and 13 years respectively, 13 years and 14 years respectively. So which option is correct? I think 11 years and 13 years respectively. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. Question number 3 is, what did Margie write in her diary? Options are, today I celebrated my 10th birthday. Today Tommy celebrated his 14th birthday. Today Tommy found a real book. So which option is correct? I think third option is correct. Today Tommy found a real book. Now question number 4. What things about the book did Margie find strange? Options are, the words and letters in the book stood still. The pages before had the same words. Both the above. So which option is correct? I think third option, that is both the above, is correct. Question number 5. What is a telebook? Options are, it is a book which is as big as a television screen. It is an e-book which appears on the computer screen. It is a book just like ones used by today's students. So which option is correct? I think the second option is correct. Question number 6. Where was Margie's school situated? On the roof of her house, next to her bathroom, next to her bedroom. I think the correct answer is next to her bedroom. Next question is, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? And the options are mathematics, geography, history, all the above. I think the correct answer is all the above. Now question number 8. What kinds of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Women teachers, mechanical teachers, both the above. I think the correct answer is mechanical teachers. Now question number 9. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Options are, Tommy was not doing well in her studies. Margie was not doing well in her studies. She wanted to tell him a secret about her life. So which option is correct? I think the second option, that is Margie was not doing well in her studies. It is correct. Now question number 10. What did the county inspector do? Options are he took Margie's mechanical teacher apart, he slowed down the geography sector to an average 10-year level, both the above. I think third option, that is both the above, is correct. Now question number 11. Why was Margie doing badly at geography? Options are she was not interested in the subject, the geography sector was geared a little too quick, the mechanical teacher did not teach well. Which option is correct? I think option number second, that is the geography sector was geared a little too quick. This is correct. Now question number 12. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? It was not working properly. It was geared a little too quick. Its history sector had completely blanked out. Which option is correct? I think option number third is correct. What did the county inspector give Margie? An orange, an apple, a coconut. I think it is an apple. The county inspector gave an apple to Margie. Question number 14. When did Margie's school remain off? On Monday and Tuesday, on Saturday and Sunday, on the last day of every month. Which option is correct? I think it is Saturday and Sunday. Question number 15 is how did Tommy describe the old kind of school? It was a special building where children went to learn. Children of the same age sat together and were taught the same thing. Children read together, would help one another, and also played a lot. All the above. So, which option is correct? I think it is all the above. Now, question number 16. How did Tommy describe the old kind of teachers? Options are they were human beings, they came to school which was in a special building, they asked the students questions and gave the homework. So, which option is correct? I think option 4, that is all the above, is correct. Question number 17. Who is the poet of the poem The Road Not Taken? William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth, Robert Frost, Curtis Kinney. Which option is correct? I think it is Robert Frost. Question number 18. What do the roads symbolize in the poem The Road Not Taken? Two ordinary roads, our decisions, our likes, our dislikes. I think the correct answer is our decisions. Question number 19. Where did the two roads diverge? In a green wood, in a yellow wood, in a dense wood. I think it is in a yellow wood. Question number 20. What does the word yellow denote in the poem? Color of the leaves, spring season, autumn season. I think the correct answer is autumn season. Question number 21. Why does the poet feel sorry? The options are because he is traveling alone, because he was extremely tired of walking, because he could not travel on both the roads. I think the third option, that is because he could not travel on both the roads, is correct. Question number 22. Where did the first road disappear? Behind a tree, in the undergrowth, behind dense bamboo plants. Which one is the correct option? I think second one is the correct option. Question 23. Which road had the better claims or perspectives? The first road, the second road, none of the above. So which option is correct? I think it is the second road. Question number 24. Which road did the poet choose? The first road, the second road, none of the above. I think the answer is the second road, the second option. Question number 25 is which road was grassy and wanted where? The first road, the second road, none of the above. So which option is correct? I think it is the second option, the second road. So children, we have answered 25 questions. 75 questions are still remaining to be answered. The link is given in the comment box. Please open the link and answer the remaining 75 questions. Don't forget to post your marks in the comment box. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to get more such videos. Thank you very much once again.